Thanks for having a notebook and pencil out with a calculator. Just have these written down in your notebook. Mean, median, mode, and range. One on a line, just like I did there. Somebody tell me what one of those means. No pun intended. Zoe. Love it. Median is the middle. That's all we're going to write for the definition. The middle of a set of data. Who knows another one? Quinn. Okay, so it's the maximum minus minimum. And I assume we know the maximum and the minimum means the biggest and the smallest number in the set of data. Samantha. Good. So this is called the average, which we find by add the numbers then divide by the total number of numbers. Sorry, that got a little sloppy because I had to go around my 3 little dots there. Add the numbers, then divide them by the total number of numbers. That's a lot of mumbo jumbo. That's going to make more sense the more we say it as we practice these. Noah, you got the last one? The number that occurs most often. Cool. Give you a second to write that down. Let's see here. Not what I wanted to do. Are you good right there? You guys don't have the first one written down yet? Can I go at least the first one now? Am I all right there? Okay, we're going back to our driving example. Some of y'all don't get my keys. Heston, way to go. This one, you all just got a speeding ticket. Every single one of you. Now, there are a handful of you that I think will never get a speeding ticket. I don't have one yet. I am sure I've gotten pulled over, but I haven't gotten a ticket yet. So I was going too fast. You know, Jackson Defoe was my first year teaching. I got pulled over by his dad on my way to school. So that's all. The first time I met one of my kids' parents was I got pulled over. I slowed down after that. I was going 75 and a 55. My bad. It was 6:30 in the morning. I was coming from Brainerd and I had an hour drive. Okay, I was ready to be here. Don't judge me. So you guys just got a speeding ticket. Speed limit's 55. I want to know, how fast were you going to get your ticket? How fast were you going to get your ticket? Hypothetically, how fast were you going in a 55? How fast were you going that you got pulled over and that cop decided to write you a ticket? We're going to pretend you were all speeding, but you're going to tell me what your speeding speed was that got you a ticket. Okay? Give you a second. And we're going to write them down. This is our set of data. And then we're going to find those 4 data points. So as they start saying them, you should start writing them down too. Okay? Sam, you start. How fast were you going into 55? You would not get a ticket for going the speed limit. Okay? It's a tricky cop. All right, Chris, how fast were you going? Quickly, this isn't a big... In a 55 and you got a speeding ticket? You got to go higher than 55. 70? Okay. Jillian. 60. Brecken. Noah. Get away from zeros and fives. 90. I wouldn't drive that fast very long. Olivia. Okay. Lily. Devin. Heston. My car doesn't go 120. Not many cars go 120. I'll give you 97 so we don't have another zero. Quinn. If you haven't gone 100 miles an hour in a car before, you don't do that very long. It's not like safe or fun. It's pretty scary. How fast, Quinn? Allie? Most of these you guys would not get a ticket for. McKinley? 70? Can I give you 71 just to be crazy? Okay. Bella? Okay. Lydia? Samantha, 79. Zoe, 97. And Michaela, 99. That's because I was just trying to mix it up. Okay, there's our ranges. Right away, let's circle. Let's find our maximum and our minimum data points because we're going to need those. 99 is where's our max? Where's our minimum? Chris? 56. We have a few of them. Okay, so I'm going to write the mean here, median, mode. You should have all the numbers because I said that right before we said them all. And then you should have mean, median, mode, and range so that we can find the data points. Did I not tell you before we started to write these down? Didn't I? Yeah, okay. I'm not crazy. I thought I did. Mean, median, mode, or range. Which one do you guys want to start with? No, what do you want to start with? Okay. The range is the maximum minus the minimum, which is 99 take away 56, which is what, Jillian? 43. If we were getting really specific, we would write MPH because you're going miles per hour. What's the next one we want to do? Quinn. Mode, which means what? Most. Is there only one of these every single time? Not necessarily. Not necessarily. In this case, we've only got one mode, I believe. 56. Because there are 1, 2, I thought there's a third one, 3. 56 what? Median is the middle. So, 2 ways we could do this. You know how to do it. I understand that. Some of you can look at this set of data and be like, oh, there's the smallest, there's the biggest. Smallest, next biggest. You can jump around and cross it off. Some of you cannot. It's okay. It doesn't matter which way you do it. Some of you will need to rearrange this set of data from least to greatest and then cross off. I'm fine either way. Okay, typically for me, I need to have a different colored pen if I do it. So I know to cross off 56, 99, 56, 97, another 56, another 97. After 56, we've got 58. 97 drops down to 82. Nope, 96. What's our next smallest? 60. And then 82. 82 is bigger, yeah. 61. 79. Okay. That doesn't work this way. Which one do I need to erase? 70 then? Okay, so where am I at? I'm looking for the next smallest. Next biggest. Next smallest. Biggest. Next smallest. Well, we got 2 left, right? These are final 2. What's the median then? Allie? Why? Perfect. There's 2 numbers left for the median. You go right in the middle of them. So we're going to write 72 what? Miles per hour. Now, this is where your fancy schmancy calculators come in. If you do not type these in carefully, you will be wrong. You are going to add every single number, 56 plus 70 plus 60 plus 80 plus 96, all the way through the end. After you do that, stop, and let's make sure we all got the same thing before you divide. Add. We add all the numbers together. Sam, you should have it on your notebook. You should have it on your notebook. Don't say the numbers out loud either. Nobody has yet, but just otherwise that will confuse people. Everybody should be doing this. Nothing yet. Nothing yet. Just so we make sure we all added correctly. A couple more seconds. I'm just going to have a few people tell me what they got. Has anybody added them all up yet? Zoe, what did you come up with? Say that one more time. Did anybody else get 1259? Are you guys all agreeing with her, you're saying? Okay. Did anybody get something different? What did you get, Brecken? Did anybody else get that? 1241. What did you get, Lydia? 1179. Anybody? Okay. All right. So I'm thinking 1259 is our right answer. And if you got it wrong, perfect. I'm glad you did it wrong now instead of later. You probably mistyped a single number and that was what made it off. No big deal. Awesome. So now the question is divide by the total number of numbers. The total number of numbers is all of the numbers right here. Not divide them all. We need to count how many numbers there are. Oh, I hope not. Then we did something wrong on our median. Why? There should only be one. Okay, so you're saying, so we've got 17, so 56, there's 3 of them, 58, 60, 61. What's the next smallest after 61? 68. $60, 61, and then what's the next smallest? 68, I said, and then what? 71. So there's 8. So 71 should be crossed off. So what should our median be? So what is 1259 divided by 17? 74.058. Slow down here. 74.0 what? Perfect. 058. Stop there. IXL will probably tell you which number to round to. We're going to round to the tenths. because I don't need 8 decimal places. What is 74.058 rounded to the nearest tenth? Where is the tenth? Which number is in the tenths, I should say? Noah? 0, which means we look at the 5. The 5 tells the 0 to go. Boop. So our mean is 74.1 miles per Not too bad, huh? All right, now I'm going to need you to give me a number between 10 and 40. You're going to give me a number between 10 and 40. We're going to go all the way around again. So everybody's going to tell me one. When I start writing these, you should be writing these on your notebook as well. Just in case you didn't catch me last time. Here we go. Anything between 10 and between 40. Does that mean you can pick 10 or 40? No, it has to be between those two. It's like kicking a field goal. It's got to be between the two posts. You can't hit the posts, you miss. So we started with Sam. We went that way, so we'll start with you, Heidi. Heidi, oh my gosh. I was doing so good. I didn't call you your sister's name until almost Christmas. Oh, I'm sorry. Zoe, thank you, sir. Zoe, start us up, please. How much? How many times Mr. Dosh should get slapped for calling you your sister? Michaela. How many? 39. Samantha. Lydia. Oh. $20. Bella. 21. Quinn. 39. Allie. McKinley. Heston. 35 it is. Lily. Oh, you didn't listen to my directions, so I had to change it. Devin. Olivia. Jillian. Brecken. Noah. 30 it is. Chris. Okay. 21, 22. Sam. It has nothing. I just need you to pick a number between 10 and 40. All right. I'm so scared to say it now. I'm going to get it wrong because now I'm thinking about it, Zoe. I'm going to say you. Yes, you. You're going to do the median first? Love it. Median is the middle. Middle. We should have 17 numbers again. $15, $20, what's next? Help me out here, please. Is there 2 39s? Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Awesome. Let's cross them out. I just did 5 on each side. I just cheated. Just speeding it up. Smallest, biggest, smallest, biggest, smallest, biggest. What's our median, Zoe? Nice. What do we want to find next? Allie? Range? What is the range, Allie? Keep reminding us. How do we find the range? 11 and 39, and we do what with them? Sweet. What is 39? Take away 11. What do you want to find next, Bella? You want to do the mean? Love it. Grab your calculators, add them up. And then we're going to divide whatever you add by what? 17. Because that's our total number of numbers. This is our total number of numbers. You can round your mean to the nearest tenth if you have to round. I don't know. But if you do, the nearest tenth. Excuse me, Chris. Sorry, you're fine. I just don't want to bump you. Sore. Lily, what'd you get? Anybody else get that? Okay, that's enough for me. So what's 433 divided by 17? Round it to the nearest tenth for me, because I'm not rounding it. McKinley. 25.5? Last one mode, which ones occurs the most often? Jillian? 35. Oh, there's my video I was watching. Oh yeah, sorry. That's not the one we run. My bad.